Hi, welcome back to Decorate Your Table with Brenda. As we said last week, Easter is just around the corner. Last week we did a table for the kids at Easter. This week we're going to do the adult table. We're going to try and use a lot of the same color, even a few of the same decorations. So let's start by putting this table together. So again, we're going to start with the same yellow tablecloth, and we're going to start by building our centerpiece. Sometimes when I'm doing centerpieces, I like to use a tray. It helps to keep things contained and in the one spot, so to speak. So like I said, we're going to be using a lot of the same pieces from our last table. So these are the same little eggs and twigs, but I've put them into small containers this time. So I'm going to start with those. So I'm going to put one there and one there. Then these are the big mason jars that these were originally in. And this time I put some live tulips because at Easter time, I like fresh flowers and I love spring flowers. These are some little silk crocuses. I'm just going to put these in the front. So in the back, I wanted to create different heights. So I'm going to use a little glass. Then I'm going to set my last tulips up on this. And this gives us that nice up and down. And having 5 pieces, odd numbers are more pleasing to the eye. So then I have the same little Easter eggs, and I'm going to scatter these around the tray. And one of the nice things about a tray is it helps keep things like this from rolling all over the table. Okay, we'll just kind of make sure there's lots of eggs and they're spread out. Then to finish off our centerpiece, we've got to add our light. So I have these little candles in glasses, and we're just going to spread them around. Okay, so that's our centerpiece. The tray helps keep it contained, but it's full of nice fresh flowers, some little Easter eggs. It's pretty and fresh looking. We're going to start setting our table now. Okay, for our place settings, I wanted to use these nice woven placemats. They just have a light, airy feeling to them. I'm using the same oval plates. They kind of remind me of an Easter egg, but this time I'm just going to use a nice plain yellow napkin. And here instead, we're going to have our little Easter bunnies sitting on the plate, and they can be a take-home present. If you wanted, you could go one step further and put a little tag around their neck with the name for the place setting. So this is our Easter table finished. As you can see, we used a lot of the same things from our children's table, and we just elevated them up a little bit. If you're enjoying and learning from these tables, please hit like and subscribe. Murder mystery games are becoming more and more popular. My husband and I have hosted a few events, and they are a lot of fun. So join us next week and I'll show you how to set up your own murder mystery table.